happy weekend.
Quiet enough.
Much better. We are off to the Transportation and Ticket Center.
TTC.
We have a little change of plans because we're going to Movie Under the Stars tonight at the Polynesian. However, tonight is also, can you turn it down a little? Tonight is also a preview of the Starlight Parade, which is the new parade that is happening at nighttime at Magic Kingdom. We are not going to that tonight because we have reservations to go tomorrow. But earlier tonight, I was thinking, I'm like, you know what? We could get popcorn and cotton candy to take over to watch the movie, but the only place we can do that is in Magic Kingdom. But then I was like, maybe we need to look to see if we can get a reservation, and there was no reservations. So it is literally 5 or 10 of 7 right now, and we just looked and there was reservations available. So we made a reservation for Magic Kingdom so that way we can go in, buy popcorn, cotton candy for Sean because he has an addiction, and then leave and head over to Polly to watch Movie Under the Stars.
An addiction? I don't think so.
And the thing of it is, we could probably, we'll see, hopefully we'll be okay.
I mean, I wouldn't care if we got popcorn and cotton candy and then it poured, because that means I can eat my cotton candy at home in the AC and watch a movie rather than being outside in the hot sun.
The whole point is to watch it at the resorts.
We can watch it at home on the AC too. Well, that's really dark.
It is dark, but it's also 7 o'clock. So it is getting to be dark anyhow. They said no rain on the weather.
It would have rained by now.
Right, it said no rain on the weather. So anyhow, that's our plan.
Maybe.
And Sean would not buy the cotton candy that's in the tub. He has to have it in the bag because he's just OCD like that.
Nobody does that.
And people do buy, it's the same cotton candy, they just put it in a small tub.
It's the same money, but it's what?
I see why Dad's doing that. It's because there's less cotton candy in there.
He wants more cotton candy, right?
Thank you.
Like, once, I don't know, about 1% more cotton candy.
No, it's more like 25%, if not.
It's probably
35.
double. It's probably twice as much cotton candy in the bag.
I know.
Money.
That's why he likes it.
Anyhow.
It's too much of an addition. He wants all of the cotton.
We're going to Transportation and Ticket. We're hopping on the tram to Magic Kingdom. Well, hopping on the tram to either the monorail or the boat, whichever is quicker. Then we're hopping into Magic Kingdom, grabbing snacks, hopping back out onto the monorail over to Polly. That's the plan. And the movie starts at 8, so we've got an hour to do it. Can we get it all done in an hour?
We haven't done this. If we don't get over there, I don't see why we can't get over there by then.
Yeah.
I know.
We'll be fine.
We got plenty of time. We got all day.
Alright, we'll see you over there.
Gonna be there. Okay, ready? I'm gonna snap and then we're gonna appear there. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Here. I think my
We're
snap worked. Well.
We're not in Magic Kingdom yet.
Oh yeah.
We're only on the tram.
We're on the
I think you need to
tram.
snap again so we can get in Magic Kingdom.
Okay. Over there.
So we're on our way to Magic Kingdom to get popcorn and cotton candy.
Oh, might as well snap one more time.
Okay.
Wait a second. I think I've been doing it with my tongue. I gotta actually snap normally. We made it. My thumbs. Where did my thumbs go?
We're at the popcorn cart.
I think I am supposed to use my tongue because I lost my thumbs. My thumbs are still in the monorail.
Take your cover off. All right, so you got your popcorn. You want to put the cover on it and save it until the movie?
Also, by the way, I grew my thumbs back.
And Sean went to get blue cotton candy because they only had blue, pink over here. So he went way over to the confectionery to get blue.
The most important snack in all of Disney, blue cotton candy. There's no better snack than blue cotton candy. Like I said, blue and the red.
So we're heading to Polly to check out Toy Story Under the Stars tonight. Sean's got his popcorn, which he's all excited about. Jameson's got his popcorn.
And I'm missing a hand.
And I...
Did we legit just come into Disney for this?
Yes,
and we're gone?
yes, that's it.
Our Magic Kingdom?
Because you have an addiction.
All that. Okay, do I just snap again?
All right, you want to snap again? And
Yeah.
hopefully we'll be at Polynesian then. Ready?
Yeah.
We are here. Finally, your snap worked. All right, we are here at the Polynesian. We just got off the monorail. And we have 45 minutes till the...
Starts at 8.
8:30.
Oh.
8:30. Yep. Did you want to check some pins?
Yeah.
Okay, let's check some pins. There's one over here. Let's see, anything good?
Is that a cute one?
Yeah, that is cute. A little cupcake. All right, so we're checking out all the pin boards here. While we're here, we might as well. There is a pin board at the front desk. You might be able to go over this. She might be able to get it for you. Can he check out the pin board? Thanks. I don't think there's a board in here. Is there?
Usually what there
Is there?
used to be.
Over here?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe. Well, this must be the last one in the lobby. Over this way, Buck. Yeah, it's right here. It's right there.
There's a lot of things on here.
Yeah, lots of them. Wow, this is a nice full one.
Oh,
Oh,
look at this
she's
new
got a mystery.
Yeah.
The line for Pineapple Lanai is long. Long, long, long. And they're getting ready to set up the movie. Let's stake our spot. We might as well. Movie is going up. You want to find a spot? Where do you want to sit? Like over there? Yeah, over on that side? Let's go over here. We are watching Toy Story tonight.
Wait.
Wanna go like right here?
Yes, sir.
Right here? All right, we found our spot. We're gonna sit, watch the movie. I don't know if it starts at 8 or 8:30. I think it's 8:30. I don't know. I think I said 8, but I think it's 8:30.
I don't know. They're already getting it going.
Yeah, maybe. It's not
Makes
dark
sense
enough
for
yet.
me.
And we're getting started with our video game dance party.
Oh, they're gonna do a video game. You go play. Go play.
All you have to do is stand up and spread out on the dance floor and follow the dancers up on the screen.
Yeah, you got a friend in me.
They're doing a dance off.
You've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me.
All right, we claimed our spot.
I just time traveled by snapping again.
Jameson is over here. We got a little blanket on the ground. Sean's sleeping already. Not really. Got a little beverage right there. We're gonna watch the movie Under the Stars.
So, what you're going to do is you're going to say into the microphone, lights, camera, action, and you're going to hit the clapboard. Do you think you can do it? Do you want to practice? Perfect. But I think we need your help. Liv doesn't have enough magic. I don't have enough magic. But I think all of you can help us start our movie. 5, 4,
3, 2, 1. Lights, camera, action!
And Liv, you got our movie started. Awesome job. Thank you guys so much and enjoy your movie.
Oh,
How was the movie?
good. I just had to snap to get over
No,
here.
oh.
I go with powers again. Hooray.
All right, Pineapple and I still has a line, but not as bad. We watched the whole Toy Story movie.
I'm gonna
Did
try
you like it?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to snap into a different dimension. Try not to put you in a portal loop.
Okay, let's go use the bathrooms before we hop on the monorail.
Yeah.
I mean, we don't have to hop on the monorail. We can walk.
Yeah, we can walk. It might be nice to walk. Yeah.
Walk over there.
Yeah, let's
then
just
we
use the
get
restrooms and
transit.
yeah, let's just use the restroom and walk. All right, you gonna snap out of it?
Oh, yeah, sure. Try not to put it in a portal loop.
All right, let's go. It's so pretty out here. I love this resort. This is just such a pretty resort, especially at nighttime with all the lanterns lit up.
Wait, you have the camera on?
Yeah, I have the camera on.
Hey, guys, I might just do one more magic snack. Well, I was trying to do a magic earth magic snack.
All right.
3, 2, 1.
Snap. All right, so we are heading back to transportation and ticket, but we are not taking the monorail. We're walking from here. So we are back to ticket and transit, or transportation and ticket, and we walked over from Poly instead of taking the monorail, and we are heading to our tram up ahead on the villain side tonight. It seems like lately we've been getting on the villain side when we've been coming in later. They must park in the morning. They must park on the hero side. In the evening, they park on the villain side. I bet that's what they do. There's a monorail. Monorail blue.
Not your tram. Villain's tram, Captain Up to Zerg and Scar. We are still boarding.
All right, let's find a spot and hop on. We're heading home. It was a fun.
On behalf of my fantastic driver up front and myself all the way here in the back, I want to thank you for taking this courtesy tram out to the villain spot today, Captain Hook, Zerg, and Scar. We hope you enjoyed your day at the Magic Kingdom. We just have a few safety instructions to share with you all before our journey comes to an end. When entering the parking lot, you're going to want to follow those big white arrows on the ground. They'll lead you all the way through and all the exits. Speed limit's a slow 15 miles per hour. That's a slow 15, not a fast 50.